Picture a sleek twin-engine fighter jet slicing through the West Philippine Sea, the KF-21 Boramae, or Young Hawk in Korean. Its sharp silhouette and advanced avionics make it a striking presence, a symbol of cutting-edge technology soaring above contested waters. Imagine the roar of its engines echoing across the waves, a clear sign that the Philippines is stepping into a new era of aerial defense. This advanced 4.5-generation fighter could soon patrol Philippine skies, signaling Manila's intent to modernize and defend its territory. The arrival of the KF-21 would mark a significant leap forward, not just in hardware, but in the nation's ability to respond to emerging threats and assert its sovereignty. For years, the Philippine Air Force has relied on aging aircraft, struggling to cover a vast, contested maritime domain. These older jets, while serviceable, lack the speed, range, and advanced systems needed to keep pace with modern challenges. The gap between the Philippines and its neighbors has only grown wider, making modernization not just a goal, but a necessity. The KF-21 would be a game-changer, shifting the country from a defensive stance to credible deterrence. With its advanced radar, weapon systems, and agility, the Boramae can respond rapidly to incursions and project power far beyond the coastline. Its presence alone would force adversaries to think twice. The mere sight of the KF-21 patrolling the skies would send a strong message. The Philippines is ready and able to defend its interests. This isn't just about hardware, it's about projecting strength and asserting national will in a region where power dynamics are in constant flux. The Boramae represents a new chapter, where the Philippines can stand tall among its neighbors and play a more active role in regional security. For the Philippines, the Boramae is the centerpiece of long-awaited military modernization. It's a source of pride and a rallying point for a nation determined to protect its people and its future. For South Korea, it's a chance to showcase its defense industry on the global stage. The KF-21 is not just an export, it's a testament to South Korea's growing influence and technological prowess in the world of military aviation. A Philippine Air Force equipped with KF-21s would alter Southeast Asia's security calculus, giving Manila a powerful tool to enforce its maritime claims. It would also encourage regional partners to strengthen their own defenses, potentially reshaping alliances and strategies across the Indo-Pacific. The Boramae is more than a fighter. It's a symbol of a nation ready to shape its own destiny. It embodies hope, ambition, and the determination to secure a better future for generations to come. The message is clear. The skies over the Philippines may soon have a formidable new guardian, one that stands watch over the nation's freedom and sovereignty. What began as mere speculation has now become official. Korea Aerospace Industries has publicly confirmed that it is in active export talks with the Philippine government regarding the KF-21 fighter jet. This announcement marks a significant development in the region's defense landscape, drawing attention from military analysts and defense enthusiasts alike. These discussions are far from a casual inquiry. They represent a formal, structured process that delves into the specifics of costs, delivery timelines, and the comprehensive details of what could become a multi-billion-dollar defense package. Both sides are carefully weighing the benefits and obligations, signaling a serious commitment to the negotiation. For the Philippines, these talks mark a pivotal moment in its ongoing defense modernization efforts, reflecting a clear intent to upgrade its air capabilities and strengthen national security. Manila is moving proactively, aiming to secure an early position as a launch customer while the KF-21 is still undergoing advanced testing. This forward-thinking approach could give the Philippines a technological edge in the region. This early engagement is a testament to the trust and growing partnership between the two countries, built over years of diplomatic and military cooperation. The scope of the discussions extends well beyond simply purchasing fighter jets. They include comprehensive pilot training programs, long-term maintenance support, and the possibility of technology transfer, which could help the Philippines develop its own aerospace expertise. This holistic approach is especially attractive for the Philippines, which is seeking not just new equipment, but a sustainable, self-reliant air defense ecosystem that can be maintained and upgraded locally. The timing of these talks is critical as the Philippines continues to assert its sovereignty and protect its interests in the West Philippine Sea amid ongoing regional tensions. The KF-21's advanced sensors, long-range capabilities, and modern avionics would provide the persistent patrols and rapid interception response that the country urgently needs to safeguard its airspace. This is the first concrete step toward transforming strategic necessity into operational reality, setting the stage for a new era in Philippine air defense. The Philippines is no longer waiting for change, it's taking decisive action to secure its future and strengthen its position on the global stage. The South China Sea is a vital contested waterway, crucial for trade, resources, and national security. For the Philippines, protecting its exclusive economic zone is a top priority, and a modern air force is essential. The current fleet of FA-50s is capable but limited. The KF-21 would be a quantum leap. Its extended range and advanced systems would allow persistent patrols and rapid response, deterring conflict by demonstrating credible defense. This move signals Manila's intent to be an active stakeholder in regional security, not a passive observer. It also strengthens alliances, especially with the US, while diversifying partnerships with South Korea. For Seoul, exporting the KF-21 establishes a strategic foothold in Southeast Asia. Shared security challenges are forging powerful new alliances. The Philippines is stepping up to shape the region's future. The KF-21 Boramae embodies South Korea's technological ambition, a 4.5-generation fighter bridging the gap between legacy jets and full stealth platforms. Its stealth-influenced design, advanced AESA radar, and infrared search and track system give it a decisive edge in detection and engagement. Twin General Electric engines provide power and safety for long maritime patrols. The KF-21 can carry a wide array of munitions, including long-range European missiles, making it a versatile multi-role platform. Its open architecture design allows for easy upgrades and integration of new technologies. For the Philippines, this means future-proofing its air force and enabling local customization. The Boramae isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in adaptable long-term air combat capability. It's a leap into the future of aerial warfare. South Korea's rise as a defense exporter is remarkable. K-Defense now supplies advanced systems to countries like Poland and Australia. Korean products like the KF-21 offer near-peer capabilities to Western systems at more competitive prices and with flexible financing. Seoul's willingness to share technology and support local industry is a game-changer for buyers like the Philippines. Local assembly or component manufacturing would create high-tech jobs and foster self-reliance. This aligns with the Philippines' goal of building its own defense posture. Buying from South Korea means less geopolitical baggage and more strategic autonomy. The partnership model empowers nations, not just arms them. K-Defense offers a new path for countries seeking both security and independence. Acquiring the KF-21 is about more than new jets. It's a comprehensive partnership to build a modern air combat ecosystem. The deal is expected to include technology transfer, training for Filipino technicians, and advanced maintenance capabilities. Extensive training for pilots and ground crew will ensure the Philippine Air Force can maximize the KF-21's potential from day one. A robust support system, spare parts, technical assistance, and upgrade roadmaps will keep the fleet ready and relevant. This approach addresses the Air Force's historic struggles with maintenance and parts shortages. The partnership turns South Korea into a long-term stakeholder in Philippine security. Success with the KF-21 could open doors to collaboration in naval, cyber, and space technologies. This is not just a deal, it's the foundation for a deeper, multifaceted alliance. The KF-21 is a gateway to a new era of defense cooperation. The KF-21 talks build on the success of the FA-50 Golden Eagle, which marked the Philippines' return to supersonic flight. Delivered on time and on budget, the FA-50s proved their worth in combat, notably during the Battle of Marawi. The program boosted morale and provided a reliable platform for pilot training. KAI's comprehensive support and training ensured high operational availability. This positive experience built deep trust in South Korean technology and business practices. The existing relationship with KAI de-risks the KF-21 acquisition, making the transition smoother. The FA-50's success is the best advertisement for the KF-21. It shows that partnership with South Korea delivers real, lasting capability. The foundation is set for the next leap in air power. The KF-21 isn't the only contender. The American F-16 Viper and China's J-10C are also options. The F-16 is proven but based on an older design and comes with higher costs and longer delivery times. The J-10C is capable and affordable, but buying from China, Manila's main maritime rival, is a non-starter. The KF-21 offers a modern airframe, advanced sensors, and a twin-engine design ideal for maritime operations. It avoids the high costs of fifth-generation fighters while delivering cutting-edge capability. More than specs, the KF-21 comes with strategic alignment, a partnership with a democratic, reliable middle power. South Korea's emphasis on technology transfer and industrial cooperation is unmatched. The KF-21 strikes the best balance of capability, cost, and partnership. It's the clear frontrunner for the Philippine Air Force's future. The KF-21 Boramae stands as the centerpiece of the Philippines' ambitious Horizon 3 modernization program, a sweeping initiative focused on building a credible external defense. This advanced fighter jet is not just a new addition to the Air Force, it represents a leap forward in the nation's ability to protect its skies and assert its sovereignty. With rising tensions and frequent confrontations in the West Philippine Sea, the need for a credible deterrent has never been more urgent. The region's security environment is rapidly evolving, and the Philippines must keep pace to safeguard its territorial integrity. The KF-21's state-of-the-art systems and cutting-edge avionics would empower the Air Force to challenge any intrusion, respond swiftly to threats, and project power far from shore. It would give Filipino pilots the tools they need to defend the nation's interests with confidence. Its presence in the fleet would fundamentally change the risk calculus for potential aggressors, making any hostile action far more costly and uncertain, and thereby strengthening national security. This acquisition is more than a simple transaction. It's a powerful symbol of a new era in Philippine-South Korea relations, built on mutual respect and shared strategic interests. The partnership is evolving beyond traditional aid, moving toward true collaboration on high-tech, strategic projects that will shape the future of both nations' defense capabilities. The KF-21 would become the most visible sign of this modern alliance, a testament to shared values, mutual trust, and a commitment to regional stability and peace. If successful, this collaboration could pave the way for even deeper cooperation in defense manufacturing, technology transfer, and regular joint military exercises, further strengthening the bond between the two countries. The Boramae's shadow on the tarmac represents not a threat, but the promise of a secure, sovereign future, one forged in friendship, innovation, and the unbreakable steel of a modern alliance.